Looking to capture epic adventures without breaking the bank? In 2025, the action camera market has never been more competitive. With impressive budget-friendly options, delivering high-quality footage, rugged designs, and advanced features once reserved for premium models. Whether you're biking through mountains, surfing the waves, or just vlogging on the go, there's an affordable action camera that can meet your needs. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 5 best budget action cameras in 2025, each offering great value, solid performance, and the durability you expect for your next adventure. Let's dive in. Akaso Brave 7LE. The Akaso Brave 7LE delivers impressive value for its $140 price tag, positioning itself as a reliable budget action camera for adventurers, vloggers, and casual content creators. Designed with an IPX7 water-resistant body, it's ready for all weather conditions, and when paired with the included waterproof housing, it can be submerged up to 131 feet, ideal for underwater escapades. One standout feature is the dual display design. The front-facing color screen is a welcome addition for vloggers and selfie lovers, while the 2-inch rear touchscreen makes navigation and playback intuitive. Switching between views is as simple as holding the mode button. In terms of performance, the Brave 7LE shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second and captures crisp 20 megapixel stills. While it may not rival premium brands in dynamic range or low light performance, it still delivers solid footage in good lighting. The updated 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, is surprisingly effective, offering smooth and stable videos during movement-heavy activities. The camera also includes a generous set of features like digital zoom, time-lapse, burst mode, and fast motion, allowing for creative versatility. Plus, Akaso includes a solid kit of accessories, 2 batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and various mounts, which add significant value without extra cost. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7LE is a well-rounded action camera for beginners or budget-conscious users. It offers a compelling mix of features, durability, and image quality that punches above its price point. Apexcam M84K Action Camera. The Apexcam M80 is an impressively capable budget action camera that delivers solid performance and a rich feature set for just $70. For anyone looking to get into action videography, or simply capture adventures without breaking the bank, this device is worth serious consideration. Headlining its specs is the ability to shoot crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second and capture high-resolution 48 megapixels photos. Backed by a 6-layer optical glass lens, the image clarity and color reproduction are quite good for this price range. The 8x digital zoom is a nice bonus, especially for landscape shots or hard-to-reach subjects. Connectivity is smooth thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and a 2.4 gig remote control, giving you the ability to operate the camera from up to 15 meters away. Just keep in mind that the remote isn't waterproof. It also includes a 64GB microSD card, saving you the trouble and expense of buying one separately. Its versatility is enhanced with features like driving mode, pre-recording, and a wide 170-degree field of view. Shooting modes such as time-lapse, burst, and looping video provide creative flexibility. The included accessories, like dual 1350 mAh batteries and a variety of mounts, make this camera ready for everything from motorcycling to snorkeling. While it may not match premium brands in image stabilization or low light performance, the Apexcam M80 punches far above its weight. For under $100, it's an outstanding deal for casual adventurers and beginners. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a powerful contender in the budget action camera market, offering pro-level features at a mid-range price of $245. Designed for extreme sports and outdoor adventures, this camera combines robust durability with high-end video capabilities. Its 4K HDR video recording captures rich detail and color, supported by 10-bit color depth, which delivers over 1 billion vibrant shades. Whether you're filming under bright sunlight or in shaded areas, the footage retains natural tones and sharp contrast. DJI's Horizon Steady technology stands out, providing excellent stabilization and level footage even in dynamic, high-motion scenarios like mountain biking or skiing. The Osmo Action 3 thrives in harsh conditions. With a battery life of up to 160 minutes and the ability to record for over 150 minutes in freezing temperatures -20 degrees Celsius, it's built for the extremes. Unlike many competitors, it's waterproof to 16 meters without an external case, making it ideal for divers and water sports enthusiasts. It also features dual touchscreens, front and rear, with a hydrophobic coating, offering clear visibility and easy control, even with wet fingers. The quick-release mounting system is another highlight, allowing fast, secure, and even vertical mounting options. However, it lacks built-in storage and doesn't come with a micro SD card, which is a minor drawback. Also, activation via the DJI Mimo app is eventually mandatory. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is an excellent value for adventurers seeking reliable, feature-rich 4K recording with top-tier stabilization and durability. GoPro Hero. The GoPro Hero is the brand's entry-level 4K action camera, offering a rugged, super light design that's waterproof to 5 meters straight out of the box, with a standard back door housing extending that to 40 meters for underwater adventures, all for around $200. At its heart sits a 0.8 inches CMOS sensor capable of 12 megapixel stills, ensuring crisp, detailed photos. Video capture tops out at 4K at 16, 9 at 30-25 frames per second, while a dedicated slow-mo mode records 2.7K at 60 frames per second for smooth, high frame rate footage. All recordings are encoded in MP4, making them widely compatible. GoPro's hypersmooth stabilization keeps handheld shots steady even during fast-paced action. 3 easy modes: video, photo, and slow-mo simplify operation for beginners without sacrificing versatility. Although it lacks a front display, the responsive rear touchscreen lets you navigate settings and preview shots with ease. Voice control adds hands-free operation, while built-in mounting fingers enable secure, low-profile attachment to any GoPro mount ecosystem. Live streaming via Wi-Fi is supported for real-time sharing, though there's no GPS on board. Connectivity is handled through USB-C, and wireless transfer relies on GoPro's Quick app over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Audio recording uses dual microphones with no external mic input, and time-lapse capture must be created post-shoot in the app. Power comes from an internal rechargeable battery. While exact runtime varies, it's sufficient for typical day-long excursions. The camera's compact footprint, 56.6 by 47.7 by 29.4 millimeters, at just 86 grams, makes it unobtrusive for all-day wear. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. The Akaso Brave 8 Lite stands out in the budget action camera market with a solid balance of performance and price. At $166, it offers impressive features typically reserved for higher-end models, making it a strong contender for adventurers and vloggers seeking quality without overspending. This camera records ultra-sharp 4K video at 60 frames per second and captures 20 megapixels photos with rich color, thanks to its Ambarella chip and 7G lens. The inclusion of HDR further enhances the footage by improving contrast and detail in both highlights and shadows. Stabilization is where the Brave 8 Lite truly shines. The new Super Smooth tech combines built-in anti-shake hardware with app-level auto-smoothing, producing remarkably steady footage, even during fast motion or while recording hyperlapses without a gimbal. Durability is another highlight. The camera is waterproof up to 10 meters without a case and up to 40 meters with an optional housing, making it suitable for underwater adventures. Its aluminum and PC plastic build adds to its rugged appeal. The dual screen setup, featuring a front screen for selfies and a 2-inch rear touchscreen, adds flexibility for vloggers. Instant portrait orientation switching via G-sensor and a 166-degree ultra-wide lens make it easy to capture immersive shots. The wristband remote control is a nice bonus for hands-free operation. Overall, the Akaso Brave 8 Lite offers excellent value with strong video performance, sturdy design, and thoughtful features, making it a smart choice for mid-range action camera seekers.